Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. Chapter 3 Data Handling. We will solve the questions from Chapter 3. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, and the introduction of the probability. Probability or chances. Probability means it will be like a chances. So what is the definition for the probability? There are situations in our life that are certain to happen, means it is sure. You can say certain to happen means it is going to happen. That is called certain. Sure event we can say. Or some that are impossible and some that may or may not happen. So these are the situations. So all this we will say this probably maybe it will happen or not, like that. So the situation that may or may not happen has a chance of happening, that is called the probability. Probability is the chance of occurrence of an event. It tells us about the likelihood of occurrence or non-occurrence of an event. So probability means it may happen or it may not happen. It is sure or it may not be sure. So events that have many possibilities can have probability between 0 and 1. Suppose if it is a sunny day, what you will say, it will rain? No. So the chances is 0. So the probability is 0 we are saying. So the probability values lies between 0 and 1. The minimum is 0 and the maximum is 1. More than 1 it cannot be. So those which have no chance of happening have the probability 0, and those that are bound to happen have the probability 1. That is, the maximum probability is 1. Okay. So suppose if it is sunny day, then you can say it will not rain. So it will not rain, the probability is 1. If it is rain, the probability is 0. Okay. Now probability is equals to possible outcomes. The formula for the probability is possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. Outcomes means, suppose here you can take the game also, tossing a coin. So the number of times a head is occurring, the number of times a tail is occurring. So by the total number of outcomes means total how many times the coin is tossed, that will give you the total number of outcomes. Whereas the possible means, if you are considering only head, that the possible outcomes for the head only. So here what is the probability of getting a head? Yes, by tossing a coin it was shown, the possible event. Now here it's a cloudy, so the possibility of getting a rain. So it is there, the probability it may rain. The chances are there it may rain or it may not rain, but the chances are maximum. If little rain also, if it is there, that the chance, it will be, the probability is 1 because it is cloudy. So it's going to rain here. Here we will discuss few situations where the probability is applicable. So situation here, problem. What is that one? Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So first one, you are older today than yesterday. This event is certain to happen since we get older day by day. So here certain, the possibility is 1. A tossed coin will land heads up. A coin has two sides, head and tail. Since it is possible to get either head or tail, this event can happen. So the certain to happen means it's sure. So here can happen. The difference you have to understand. Here certain, that is sure. Here can happen means it can be a head or it can be a tail. Two chances are there. A die, when tossed, shall land up with 8 on the top. So this is not possible because on the die you will have only 6 faces It is a cuboid. See, cuboid will have how many? A cube or a cuboid, it is having only 6 faces. A die has 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a playing die. So 6, 8 is not there. It is impossible to get 8 when a die is tossed. Now what is the next problem? There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So only one time the 2 can appear. Total number of events 6. Means 1 it can happen, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 how many times it can get? Only 1. Favorable event is to get the marble with number 2 marked on it is only the number of favorable outcome is only 1. Only once you can appear as 2. The probability is outcomes by that outcomes means nothing, the possible outcomes you can say by the total number of outcomes. So possible outcome is only 1 here and the total number of outcomes are 6 as there are 6 marbles in the box. So what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Here also the total number of events are 6. Means once it can come 1, once it 2, once it can 4, then it can be 6. Any number it can come. So what is the possibility of getting 5? Only once you can get a 5. Favorable event is to get the marble with number 5 marked on it. So number of favorable event is only once we can get. So that is why we are adding here 1. The probability is equals to outcomes by total number of outcomes, that is equals to 1 by 6. So these are the situation where we are applying the probability. It is from this you can see in the day-to-day life, especially when you are playing with the coin or playing with the dice. You can observe all these possible outcomes. Hope it is clear to you children. Question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So here again repeating, see before also I have taken the same situation, here also. You are older today than yesterday. Solution, it is certain to happen. Means it is sure. Then second one, a tossed coin will land heads up. So solution, it can happen but not certain. It can happen but not certain, means always you are not going to get head. It can be a tail. So the third bit is a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on the top. Solution, it is impossible because there are 6 faces on a die is marked, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on it. So getting an 8, it is impossible. Bit number 4, the next traffic light seen will be green. So, solution, it can happen but not certain. So, the next traffic light is, you know about the traffic light is green, orange and red. So, it can happen but not certain. It's not possible that it is after the next, means whatever it is there, then the next is, it will be green. We cannot say. It can be red, it can be orange also. So tomorrow will it be cloudy day? Can you see by today's seeing the today's weather? It can happen but not certain. It may be cloudy tomorrow or it may not be cloudy. It can be sunny. So these all are the day-to-day examples which we are going to understand by taking the probability topic. So it's very easy and interesting. Hope it's clear to you children and it create interest among you. You just take the few more examples and read the example bits from the textbook also. Thank you children.